If you drink coffee, pick this kind. It prevents cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. For years, physicians claim that drinking coffee has a negative effect on our health. Maybe you are not aware of the fact that coffee will raise your blood pressure, which will lead to heart disease, make you diabetic, or give you an ulcer. The experts recommend that coffee should not be consumed in excess. However, new studies failed to prove that even the moderate consumption of coffee can increase your risk of cardiovascular disease or other serious diseases. But, other studies show that the moderate consumption of coffee can have health-promoting properties. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study which claims that coffee may actually reduce your risk for type 2 diabetes. Even though the experts recommend avoiding coffee as much as possible, people around the world regularly consume it in massive quantities. Although we can't argue and we are not sure about the therapeutic benefits of coffee, we can surely say that if you are consuming it with sugar or other sweeteners and flavorings, you are definitely missing the therapeutic benefits and potentially damaging your health. Could coffee really be good for you? Ori Hofmeekler is an author of The Warrior Diet and Unlocking the Muscle. Jinho has spent a lot of time researching coffee. According to Ori, when consumed in the right way, coffee can be used efficiently as part of your fitness plan as well as your overall health. Organic coffee as a whole food is considered as therapeutic, but caffeine in isolation may be toxic. Coffee beans contain vitamins, minerals, bioflavonoids, polyphenol antioxidants which all work together to neutralize the negative effect of the caffeine. Containing all these compounds, you may ask yourself if there can be unwanted health effects. The answer is yes. But, as we said before, undesirable health effects can occur if it is ingested in isolation, as opposed to being consumed as part of the whole food. Health benefits of coffee. Type 2 diabetes. According to a 2010 Japanese study, the consumption of coffee can effectively prevent type 2 diabetes. Moreover, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study which claimed that coffee doubles glucose intake, known for having the ability to reduce blood glucose levels. Parkinson's disease. Coffee significantly reduces the risk of Parkinson's disease. Actually, coffee is so effective that many drug companies are designing experimental drugs that can mimic coffee's benefits to your brain. Alzheimer's disease. According to a 2011 study, coffee contains an unidentified mystery that can interact with the caffeine, thus protecting you from Alzheimer's disease. Prostate cancer. There was a study in 2011 that included 50,000 men who drank 6 cups of coffee a day, and 60% of them experienced lower risk of lethal prostate cancer, while those who drank 3 cups a day had a 30% lower risk. Liver cancer. A study conducted in Japan proved that people who regularly consumed coffee experienced a reduced risk of HCC, hepatocellular carcinoma, a type of liver cancer, compared to people who never drank coffee. Coffee it is also related to less severe liver fibrosis, lower rates of hepatitis C disease progression, and lower levels of fat in your liver. Kidney cancer. The consumption of coffee can be linked to reduced risk of kidney cancer. Colorectal cancer. According to a 2007 study, the regular consumption of coffee can lower colon cancer risk among women. Heart rhythm problems. The moderate consumption of coffee can reduce your risk of heart rhythm problems. Pulmonary function. It is scientifically proven that coffee has a beneficial effect on the pulmonary function of non-smokers. Stroke. Women who drank more than 1 cup of coffee a day experienced a 25% lower risk of stroke compared to women who drank less. Moreover, a 2009 study proved that women who drank 4 or more cups of coffee a day managed to reduce their stroke risk by 20%. Gastrointestinal flora. According to a 2009 study, coffee has the ability to produce an increase in the metabolic activity and the numbers of bifidobacterium, beneficial bacteria in your gut.